What's up? Back again with another YouTube video. Today we got the, as you can see here, the Nomad base station mini. It's a wireless charger. This is the one with magnetic alignment. I just want to make a quick YouTube video, just unboxing it, and that's pretty much just showing it off to you guys. You see here's a little description of what it is. It has built-in magnets for MagSafe alignment, up to 15 watts of wireless charging, 7.5 wireless charging for iPhones, and compatible with Qi compatible devices. So yeah, this is just a box. That's a cool little thing right here, the bottom, little lanyard thing. Pretty nice box. And yeah, let's get into opening it. So we got here, let's get the tape off, top, bottom. Put it to the side. Keep it right there, just to check. There we go. Yeah, just lift it up. And here you go. Here it is. It's the paper. And pull here. Oh wow, it actually is pretty heavy. I've seen videos about this and they always talk about how heavy it is, and yeah, it's pretty heavy. Well, this is like, I forgot which exact metal this is, but it's heavy with leather on top, which just makes it really nice. Look at the back, as it's actually to peel this. There you go. Put that to the side. And this is the back right here. If you guys want to take a look, it says right there. I don't know if you can read it properly. Let me see if I can focus it. It says use. As you can see, it says use a 20-watt adapter for 10 watts of wireless charging, and use 30 watts adapter for 15 watts of wireless charging. So you're probably gonna want to get the 30 to get the full maximum power. Yeah, this is just a cool thing. And that's it. That's all in the box. Basically, just open this. There's nothing here. Just comes with the cable. Pretty nice cable. It's one of the Nomad's, really good cable right here. As you can see, it's a braided cable, really nice. It's Type C to Type C. Let's get this set it up. I am recording with my phone, so I won't be able to show you guys exactly how that works, but I do have the AirPods with MagSafe in it, so hopefully you can see that with a magnetic alignment. But yeah, pretty long cable too. I can't really show you in the video, but that's how long it is. I would say it's about probably 6 feet cable. It's taller than me, so we're having connected. Let's get the AirPods. I'm gonna take them off the case, so there you go. And it's green and white. There you go. And yep, it does have the magnetic alignment. I felt it right away. Sorry for the focus. It does have magnetic alignment. I just felt it. But it's like right there. I can feel it. There you go. You just have to tap it and make it red. Because it goes dark after. So you just gotta type it. And it also has see if I can lift it up. You see that light that tells you it's indicating that's charging? That's basically it. It's just charger. Just want to show you a quick video and how the alignment works. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. There you go. It's aligned there, and then you can kind of see where it snaps, right? Like, it's kind of snappy right there. Yeah, it works pretty well with the magnetic alignment. It's nice. Nomad, you can see the only branding is right there, which is just embroidered. Lasered on there, or engraved for a better term. Yeah, thank you for watching my YouTube video. This was just a quick unboxing of Nomad. And like, subscribe, comment if you have a question about this. Yeah, till next time. Peace.